So you want to find SEO agency clients, deliver great services, make reoccurring income, and have a great business. You can absolutely do that. The opportunity in the room for SEO agencies is with AI blogging, aka using AI to create SEO content way faster and shockingly even better. Yes, in this video, I'll share with you how you can use AI to generate SEO blogs that are better than the average SEO blog out there for your clients. If your goal is to get more SEO agency clients, one of the number one takeaways I want you to get from today's video is that you're going to have to educate your client on what SEO results look like, because the biggest mistake that could happen is letting them weigh in and give too much feedback on their SEO content, so much so that it negates all the SEO of the piece. In fact, this is the number one mistake that we see when we're guiding SEO agencies who have clients and are delivering SEO content. If you're smart, you need to put some padlocks on this content. You need to educate your client that that content piece, simply put, will not get results if they mess with the structure and, quote, don't like the writing, which is usually what a client says when they have no knowledge of what good SEO content looks like. Jump into the post, completely mess it up, remove all the keywords. That piece should go in the trash. When you get SEO agency clients, your number one goal has to be results. And that's why the number one pitfall to avoid is the pitfall of letting your client guide you on what content should look like. Let me show you firsthand what I mean. So I'm going to actually take you over here to my desk to walk you through this. Since the beginning of all of my businesses, I prefer SEO content from Google as my main marketing channel. That's why I'm thrilled that Content at Scale's main traffic channel is in fact Google search. And you can see in February of this year, in a single week, we had over 140,000 sessions, 102,000 users, 74,000 of which were new. And we had a ton of actions, trial signups, purchases, email subscribers, and more. This is what happens when you do SEO content right. You get results. Let me share with you a content piece that's ranking in the top of Google for a keyword. Here's what that content piece looks like. We've got our H1, our featured image, our blog hook, the intro paragraphs, statistics in there to back it up right out of the gate. We're referencing a known study. So we're backing up that statement, the ideal blog post length. And then we're featuring what we sell for the first time here in the second paragraph. This is all very strategic. This is not by chance. We have a table of contents with hyperlinks to all of the H2s and the H3s in the article. These are very clean links. If I click on one, it takes me right to it. This just gives my content a little bit more of interactivity. As the article continues, we have screenshots, we have H2s, we have H3s, we have subpoints, ending with an FAQ and a conclusion. This piece is ranking in the top of Google for our target keywords. Now imagine I delivered this content to the client. I had no education around it. Maybe I delivered it in a Google Doc and I allowed them to give me feedback. If that client doesn't know what SEO content looks like, they might tell me that they hate all of these H2s and H3s and they want everything rewritten. And that is SEO agency hell, because that content piece will never rank. So that's why the number one thing you need to do as an SEO agency is be prepared to focus on delivering results. Speak to that in your marketing copy. Stay focused on that from the first call you have with a prospect. Tell them you have a specific process, specific AI tools, and you will get them the results. They're going to have to let you publish content that ranks in the top of Google. Set the expectations from the start. And one of the best ways to sell SEO results in your agency is to actually have SEO results for your own website. At Content at Scale, we're publishing anywhere from 50 to 90 articles per month, hitting over 500,000 sessions per month, all organic search traffic, bringing in anywhere from 10 to 30 new customers per day. What do we sell? AI content for SEO. It's an easy sell because we're using the thing we actually sell to get the majority of marketing results for ourselves. You can see here in Content at Scale, inside the app, we have over 800 posts generated for a ton of different keywords. We use my TAP framework, which is take a look at the content, add anything missing, visuals, images, media, and publish. You don't want to work too much because then, once again, you could actually negate the impact and the results of this content ranking in Google. Content at Scale generates unique content that's fully original, SEO optimized. There's NLP, natural language processing, semantic analysis, salient scores that go into how this tool stack is built. You might just need to humanly edit the content, add in a few more keywords to bump up that optimization score. If the score is low, sometimes that's because the keyword sounds unnatural, and you want human-like content. If you're going to sell SEO content that ranks, you really want that content to read like a human wrote it, and that is RankWell's secret sauce. It's undetectable, which means it reads like a human created it. With Content at Scale, at the standard and scaling levels, you get access to all of our agency features, which includes a white label platform version of our software where you can bring clients in, have them review, look at the posts. What's more, they're going to see the SEO optimization score and all that went into that piece of content to make it SEO friendly. Anytime you can wrap your content in something more than a Google Doc and share with your clients, hey, this content, we did all the keyword research, an SEO score is attached, the meta title and description is there, it's on point for the keyword. That reduces that number one pain point I shared earlier, which is the client giving too much feedback and effectively ruining their content before it even sees the light of day. You don't want that to happen. If you want results for your clients, you want that content piece to rank. So the white label version of an AI SEO writer like RankWell is a great sales tool, and in addition to how you can persuade your clients that you are after results, thus reducing the feedback, minimizing that load on your agency, and being able to deliver results quicker without any obstacles stopping that momentum. So how do you sell this? How do you get SEO agency clients? How do you sell? I shared that your website should be your number one marketing tool, and that starts with a great brand and consistent content. You want to rank for keywords that your ideal traffic is searching for. Niching down, but keeping it broad when you do niche down will help you tremendously to go after a more specific market and get them results. As an example of an amazing brand pulling in 5, 6, and even 7-figure SEO contracts, check out Ryan Stewart's agency, Webris. I want to point out some things that make this website amazing and effectively magnetize his clients to him. Look at this headline. First, he starts exactly with who he serves, law firms. Right under that, need more clients? ? You see his headline isn't, get found in Google, rank number one in SEO, because that's not what his clients want. He's selling straight to the consumer, the law firm. They want clients. And that's what he's delivering when he gives them number one rankings in Google. The end delivery is the client, not the ranking. And look at this next sentence. Again, so clear. We help law firms get more qualified leads through blended search marketing campaigns. He addresses common problems of his target audience, a process where they focus on 4 core tactics. SEO AI blogging, assisted by the human touch, could absolutely be one of yours. Client testimonials, if you're ready to move forward, the 3 steps you need to take to move forward with Webris. And I really like how he actually has his pricing out there. This avoids the cheapskates, the people that don't have a budget for real SEO results. And since he's targeting a market like law firms, they're absolutely going to have budget and be able to work with him. And look at this. If you're not ready to work with him yet, he's giving you a free guide with a roadmap of his process on how he's helped law firms get more clients. More amazing case studies, industries that he serves within the legal industry, why work with us, not convinced, more case studies. And then what I think is one of the most important pieces of your website as an SEO agency in the AI age, a message from you, the founder. What are you all about? What's your point of differentiation? Why are you not full of crap? I love that Ryan Stewart addresses the problem in SEO agencies and the entire SEO industry right off the bat. And that's how he ends the homepage. Just like with any business, especially with an SEO agency, you need two things. You need a platform to sell your services. That's your website. You want to build that up, create a great brand. Think of this like a brand. And that's how you will make this last. That's how your SEO agency will stand apart. And then grow it. Publish lots of content. Get found for keywords. Number 2, deliver awesome services. Package up SEO AI blogging using content at scale. Make it the crux of what you deliver. Build your human team around that. Think about strategy, the consultations you'll offer. Most of all, have some SEO expertise, or make sure the people leading the project have SEO expertise. I think it's a great time to go full force on an SEO agency. I think a lot of agencies are afraid of AI and therefore they're holding back, maybe not starting or growing their agency. But the ones that are, especially the ones that are adapting to AI in that process, are absolutely winning. And so can you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you have an SEO agency, tell me how it's going. Your roadblocks, we're here to help. And as always, you can learn more about content at scale at contentatScale.ai.